Hello friends, in this video you will know how you can download Instagram Reels. To do this, simply click on the send button and copy this link, and now minimize the application and go to Google and type Instagram Reels video download and simply tap on the first link, and now you have to paste that URL and click on download. Wait for few seconds, and if any ad will be shown, then simply close this. And now here you will see download video option. Simply click on this and your video will be downloaded. Now I will show you second option which can save your time. So simply go to Play Store and search Instagram downloader, and here you will see many applications. So I will click on this and you have to install this, and then you have to open that application, and if you see any ad, just close it, and here you have to just paste the link. As you can see, without pasting also my video is downloaded. But if you are using this application for first time, you have to log in to your Instagram. As you can see, I have already logged in this account. So you just have to give your Instagram username and password, and so here you can download any reels without delay. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and also subscribe this channel.